Hello everybody, you're welcome back to my space. So today we're going to be making garri. As you can see, note should be taken that I've never made garri before. While I was in Cameroon, I only came here, I saw cassava and decided to try my luck, and there it is. So first we saw a depot where farmers come to keep their cassava, to sell their cassava. So we went there to buy, and surprisingly we wanted 30 kilos. They said they were going to give us for free because it was too small. They give us 30 kilos of cassava for free, as I'm telling you. So we took the cassava, went home. We After peeling it, we took turns in grating. My husband grated, I grated, Juliet grated, and I tell you, that's the most difficult part of this thing, grating. Why? I don't know. People make this thing. Maybe they have machines, but we couldn't get a machine here. So that's the finished product after grating, and then we put in a bag, in a rice bag, like that. That has holes. So you have to tie it really hard so that the water comes out. So after tying it, we took one of our homemade dumbbells and put on it, and that's it. After 2 days, we opened the bag, and you see there the water is almost out. So now you get colander or a grater, whatever you have, and just try to sieve it. After sieving it, we put our work on the fire, charcoal, and then we just put on medium heat. We just kept frying until it was a little dry, and then we added the oil and just kept frying. And yeah, we have our garri. Oh, garri. I was super excited for this experiment. Sometimes what you might not know the things you can do until you're faced to certain things. If I didn't leave home, I wouldn't be able to do this, because garri is very cheap back home. But I'm telling you, I don't think I want to do this again. I will just buy from those who are selling. It's easier that way. The work is not easy, to grate and then to fry. Not easy. So there you go. That's our garri. After all the hard work, it was worth it. I'm telling you, after all the hard work, it was all worth it. Like, I'm eating this garri with a lot of pride. We're all enjoying the garri. And when you buy garri, sometimes you make garri, you have the oil. When you put it in water, the oil separates. But I'm telling you, you can see this experiment, there was no oil separation anywhere. So this is 100 on 100. Thanks for watching, guys.